The 2024 Nissan Leaf is a stalwart in the electric vehicle (EV) market, offering an affordable and eco-friendly option for drivers looking to make the switch to electric. As Nissan prepares to phase out the Leaf, the 2024 model stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to sustainable mobility. The 2024 Nissan Leaf is not just a car, it's a statement. With its cutting-edge technology and environmentally friendly features, it's paving the way for a greener future. Exterior design. The 2024 Leaf showcases a striking exterior design that captivates onlookers with its blend of modernity and functionality. Its sleek, aerodynamic body not only enhances its visual appeal, but also contributes to its impressive efficiency. The signature V-Motion grille, with its bold presence, seamlessly integrates into the front fascia, creating a cohesive and dynamic look. Complementing the grille are the boomerang-shaped headlights that not only illuminate the road ahead, but also add a touch of sophistication to the Leaf's front end. Moving to the side profile, the Leaf's design is characterized by clean lines and a sculpted silhouette, which not only enhance its aerodynamics, but also give it a sense of movement even when standing still. The floating roof design further adds to the Leaf's allure, creating a sense of lightness and elegance. Available in a range of vibrant colors, including electric blue and radiant red, the Leaf can be customized to suit your style and personality. The 2024 Leaf's exterior design is a testament to Nissan's commitment to innovation and sustainability. Its sleek and aerodynamic body, combined with thoughtful design elements such as the V-Motion grille and boomerang-shaped headlights, make it a standout in its class. Whether you're zipping through city streets or cruising down the highway, the Leaf's design is sure to turn heads and make a statement wherever you go. Interior comfort and technology. Stepping into the 2024 Leaf reveals a world of comfort and technology that enhances every journey. The cabin is spacious, with a thoughtful layout that maximizes both passenger comfort and practicality. Premium materials adorn the seats, offering a luxurious feel and exceptional support, even on the longest of drives. The interior design is focused on the driver, with all controls placed intuitively for easy access and minimal distraction. Nissan has equipped the 2024 Leaf with a range of cutting-edge technologies that elevate the driving experience. At the heart of the dashboard sits a large touchscreen display, which serves as the command center for the vehicle's infotainment system. This system includes features such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your smartphone with the car's interface. Whether you're navigating to your destination, selecting your favorite playlist, or making hands-free calls, the Leaf's infotainment system puts everything you need right at your fingertips. In addition to its advanced infotainment system, the 2024 Leaf also boasts a premium audio system that delivers exceptional sound quality. Whether you're listening to your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks, the Leaf's audio system ensures that every note is crystal clear and every word is heard with precision. Performance and efficiency. The 2024 Leaf is not just about style and comfort. It also offers impressive performance and efficiency that redefine the electric driving experience. At the heart of the Leaf is a highly efficient electric motor that delivers instant torque, providing exhilarating acceleration that is sure to put a smile on your face. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the Leaf's motor delivers smooth and responsive power that makes every drive a joy. One of the standout features of the 2024 Leaf is its impressive range, made possible by its advanced battery technology. With a full charge, the Leaf can travel a significant distance, allowing you to go farther without needing to recharge. This makes the Leaf a practical choice for daily commuting, weekend getaways, and everything in between. In addition to its impressive range, the 2024 Leaf also boasts excellent efficiency, helping you save money on fuel costs while reducing your environmental impact. By driving a Leaf, you're not just enjoying a thrilling driving experience, you're also contributing to a cleaner, greener future. The 2024 Leaf combines performance and efficiency in a way that sets it apart from other electric vehicles on the market. Whether you're looking for a fun and exciting driving experience or a practical and eco-friendly mode of transportation, the Leaf delivers on all fronts. Safety and convenience. The 2024 Leaf prioritizes safety and convenience, offering a range of features designed to enhance your peace of mind on the road. The Leaf is equipped with a comprehensive airbag system that includes front, side, and curtain airbags, providing protection in the event of a collision. Additionally, the Leaf comes standard with a suite of advanced driver assist technologies that are designed to help prevent accidents from occurring in the first place. One of the key safety features of the 2024 Leaf is its automatic emergency braking system. This system uses sensors to detect potential collisions and can automatically apply the brakes to help mitigate or avoid a crash. Similarly, the Leaf's lane departure warning system alerts you if you begin to drift out of your lane without signaling, helping you stay safely in your lane. Another important safety feature of the 2024 Leaf is its blind spot monitoring system. This system uses sensors to detect vehicles in your blind spots and alerts you if it's unsafe to change lanes. This can help prevent accidents caused by not seeing vehicles in adjacent lanes. In addition to its advanced safety features, the 2024 Leaf also offers a range of convenience features designed to make your driving experience more enjoyable. These include features like a rearview camera, which provides a clear view of what's behind you when reversing, and a hands-free power liftgate, which allows you to open the trunk with a simple wave of your foot. Overall, the 2024 Leaf is designed to prioritize your safety and convenience, providing you with a driving experience that is both enjoyable and secure. Price and availability. The 2024 Nissan Leaf offers a compelling package of affordability, performance, and eco-friendliness, making it an attractive option for drivers seeking an electric vehicle that won't break the bank. With a starting price of $29,280 for the base model, the Leaf is competitively priced compared to other electric vehicles on the market. This makes it a viable option for budget-conscious consumers who want to make the switch to electric without compromising on features or performance. In addition to its affordable price point, the 2024 Leaf also offers impressive performance and efficiency. The Leaf is powered by a highly efficient electric motor that delivers instant torque for responsive acceleration. With its advanced battery technology, the Leaf boasts an impressive range, allowing you to travel farther on a single charge. This combination of performance and efficiency makes the Leaf a practical choice for daily commuting, weekend getaways, and everything in between. Availability of the 2024 Leaf may vary depending on your location, so it's a good idea to check with your local Nissan dealer for more information. With its affordable price, impressive performance, and eco-friendly credentials, the 2024 Nissan Leaf is a standout option in the electric vehicle market. In conclusion, the 2024 Nissan Leaf is a shining example of Nissan's commitment to innovation and sustainability. With its stylish design, advanced technology, and impressive performance, the Leaf offers a compelling package for eco-conscious drivers. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a road trip, the 2024 Leaf is ready to take you there in style and comfort. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of driving with the 2024 Nissan Leaf. Stay tuned for more reviews and insights on the latest automotive innovations. Drive green, drive smart, drive Nissan Leaf.